Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. Which city is the host of the G20 Space Economy Leaders Meeting in India? Option A Bengaluru, Option B Chennai, Option C Shillong, Option D Kolkata. Correct answer C Shillong. Notes the G20 Space Economy Leaders Meeting was organized in Shillong in April 2023. The meeting is being organized under India's G20 presidency by the Department of Space, Government of India. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO will be organizing the precursor event of this meeting. Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. Which Indian state UT announced Dr. R Ambedkar Award for recognizing people involved in the welfare of Dalits? Option A Tamil Nadu, Option B Telangana, Option C Madhya Pradesh, Option D West Bengal. Correct answer B Telangana. Notes the Telangana government recently announced an award in the name of Babasaheb Dr. R Ambedkar. The government will form 51 crore corpus for this award, and every year 3 crore worth of award will be given to anyone involved in the welfare of Dalits. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. Which city is the host of the Global Conference on Compressed Biogas? Option A Mumbai, Option B Mysore, Option C New Delhi, Option D Chennai. Correct answer C New Delhi. Notes the Global Conference on Compressed Biogas was organized in New Delhi under the theme of Towards Progressive Policy Framework for a Robust CBG Foundation and Growth. Indian Federation of Green Energy FGE Compressed Biogas CBG Producer Forum organized the conference, which is also supported by Ministry for Petroleum Natural Gas. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. Which country is the host of SCO Millets Food Festival? Option A Japan, Option B India, Option C China, Option D Sri Lanka. Correct answer B India. Notes Union Minister of State for Tourism Shripad Naik inaugurated a Millets Food Festival of the member countries of Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO in Mumbai. It includes a variety of cuisines made of different millets prepared by chefs from Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Russia, and India. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. Virginia Norwood, who passed away recently, was associated with which field? Option A Politics, Option B Aerospace, Option C Business, Option D Sports. Correct answer B Aerospace. Notes Virginia Norwood, the aerospace pioneer, has passed away recently at the age of 96. She invented a scanner that has enabled scientists to map and study the Earth for more than 50 years. Ms. Norwood, a physicist, was the person primarily responsible for designing the scanner that made the Landsat satellite program possible.